If you ride, you know it's only a matter of time before thieves try to steal your vehicle. And when they do, you'll be left feeling helpless, frustrated, and anxious about what to do next. Even so, you're smart and don't want to be a victim, so you decide to learn how to combat theft with an alarm for deterrence, a lock for security, and a tracker for finding your vehicle. But what happens when these systems fail? Are you going to chase after your stolen vehicle by yourself? And what if you can't get it back? Soon, it becomes obvious that even with these so-called anti-theft solutions, theft was still your problem. But shouldn't theft be someone else's problem? Introducing Watchdog, an anti-theft solution designed to make theft our problem, not yours. Watchdog uses a blaring siren and blinding lights to draw attention to thieves. Watchdog enables law enforcement and recovery specialists to locate and recover your stolen vehicle for you. And Watchdog can provide definitive proof of theft, allowing us to offer you hassle-free theft insurance. Trade your frustration and anxiety for confidence and freedom, and get back to the things that you care about. Focus on your day, not on theft. With Watchdog, that's no longer your problem.